DJI Terra details, and did it save the DJI Phantom 4? Got that coming up next. Yesterday I came out with a breaking news video regarding DJI Terra, and as we're all aware of by now, DJI Terra is DJI's 2D and 3D mapping software that was released yesterday. I had a number of questions and comments from the video yesterday, so I thought I'd like to go over them with what I found out. Now, several of you had asked if this was app or PC based. The answer is that it is a Windows-based PC software. Now, I did some additional research and found out that the license is good for up to 1 year and can be used on 3 personal computers. Now, I did go ahead and post a slide up right now that lists the requirements for the personal computer, so you can take a look at that and see what the requirements are. Now, another question was, does the laptop need to be with you when you're out in the field? And the answer is yes, it does need to be with you. Now, I did get a few questions on the cost of DJI Terra, and I reached out to DJI support, and as soon as I find out that information for both plans, I will be sure to post that in the BillTheDroneReviewer, both in the Facebook group and in the Facebook page, so make sure you're on the lookout for that. Now, there are 2 plans. There are Advanced and Pro. Now, I'm going to throw a slide up on the screen showing what's available for each. Now, the difference is that the Pro plan offers 3D reconstruction and 3D mission planning, where the Advanced plan does not. Now, one of the biggest questions was aircraft, and there's a slide up on the screen right now that says the available aircraft that are supported by DJI Terra are the DJI Phantom 4 series shown on the slide. Now, the comment I received multiple times was this: Bill, they stopped production of the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 back in December, and a couple of weeks ago, they stopped production on the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. So why would DJI come out with mapping software for a drone that's no longer in production? That is an excellent question, and I did get it multiple times. So I thought we'd like to take a look and see what DJI had to say when they made those announcements. Now, the statement that DJI made regarding the Phantom 4 Pro was, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro is no longer in production. For the latest in DJI technology, please view our product recommendations below. And it pointed you to the Mavic 2 series. Now, here's what DJI said regarding the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. And there's a slide up on the screen because it's a tweet, and I'm going to read you the tweet in its entirety. Hey, DJI Global was just wondering why in Australia we can't buy the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 anymore. Have you stopped making them? And their accessories such as batteries and props. DJI's response: Hi Josh, due to a shortage of parts from the supplier, DJI is unable to manufacture more Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 drones until further notice. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. Now, it's my opinion that production will continue on the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 once the part shortage is taken care of. Now, it's also important to note that DJI could not have in any way anticipated they would have faced a part shortage on the Phantom 4 line when they were developing the DJI Terra software specifically for the DJI Phantom 4 series. Question of the day: do you think that DJI will continue to make the Phantom 4 Pro and Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 once the part shortage is taken care of? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.